Good morning, class. No, hello. We have already finished ideal gas law. No, Ma'am Florence have already discussed it. No, I'm assuming she also discussed the zeroth law no of thermodynamics. Okay, so we will proceed no further with here what you call first law of the thermodynamics. No, we will discuss here no what the concept of work no expansion and of course yung additional or useful work no what you call that and of course the next is the concept of heat no and we will also define internal energy no and molecular interpretation. We will further explore no different forms of the first law of thermodynamics no and we will discuss the concept of enthalpy no, and its necessity. Okay, so we will relate it no this first law of thermodynamics no to the previous lecture ideal gas no and what is this Joule's experiment. Okay, so the internal energy no and enthalpy of real gases no we will further explore it no in Joule-Thomson effect no or Joule-Thomson coefficient. Okay, so and then lastly we will discuss what you call liquefaction of gases. Okay, so let's start first with the word thermodynamics. Okay, so this word thermodynamics now has Greek origins. Okay, so it is a motion no caused by the addition or the combination of heat and force. Okay, so what is this thermodynamics no in its classification no within the science no the science subject. Okay, so this thermodynamics no is originally only for physical changes no. So when we talk physical changes no chemical reactions at all no. And you also have a thermodynamics no for the chemical changes no or yung reactions or what we will call that chemical thermodynamics. Okay, so this chemical thermodynamics may sometimes be accompanied by physical changes as well. Okay, so there are two types of thermodynamics no the first is the equilibrium no meaning time is not a factor here. Okay, and the next is irreversible thermodynamics no from the word irreversible no you cannot change it back to its former uh, call that former phase no. Okay, so there are also two types of handling it no yung mathematical handling of thermodynamics no. The first is classical thermodynamics and the second is statistical. Okay, so let's further discuss thermodynamics by familiarizing us with different terms of thermodynamics. Okay, so first is what you call system no. What is this system? Okay, how does it relate to surroundings? Okay, so consider the system as a part of the world no, so which is of special interest no to you as the examiner and maybe surrounded by a wall. Okay, what is this wall naman no? uh, Next is the surroundings no, the surroundings is the part of the world outside the system. Okay, so look at this no, so look at this table no. So you have different types of system no. So the first is the open system. Okay, so if you can see here at letter A, the first image here no, you have that system or yung cube. Okay, and the surroundings is the part of the world outside the system. Okay, so the system has this wall. Okay, so imaginary wall no. Okay, in an open system this wall is permeable. Ibig sabihin pwede makapasok at pwedeng lumabas yung matter at energy. Okay, so it is permeable no. And the next type of system is what you call closed system, no? Here at letter B. Okay, so if you can see here sa image, no? Ang pwede lang lumabas sa kanya ay yung energy, no? So in a closed system, energy na lang yung pwedeng lumabas dun sa walls niya. Okay, the matters, okay, are not allowed, no, to go outside. Okay, so and the last type of system is what you call isolated system, no? Okay, so isolated meaning it is isolated from its surroundings. So walang papasok at walang lalabas sa kanya, no? So hindi pwede pumasok yung matter at hindi pwedeng lumabas yung energy, no, or vice versa. Okay, so those are the three types of system, no, and contrasting it with the surroundings. Okay, so next is we will also discuss here what you call homogeneous, inhomogeneous, and heterogeneous, no. So this is the spatial distribution, no, of chemical and physical properties. So it is easily understandable, no, based on the word itself, no. Kapag homogeneous, no, it is the same at every point. Okay, so if, for example, a glass of water, no. So in homogeneous, no, it has a continuous change, no. Or for example, yung atmosphere. Heterogeneous or discontinuous change, no, or a coke with an ice, no. So meaning it will change at some point, then wala na, no. Okay, so it can also be based on direction or dependence of properties, no. You can we can ano ba yung nandito sa direction and dependence of properties, no? Isotropic and anisotropic, no? So isotropic meaning the same in every direction. Okay, anisotropic meaning there are differences between directions. Okay, it can also be based on the number of phases, no? Monophasic, no? Isa lang. Multiphasic ay madami, no? So it can also be dependent on based on the number of components. Okay, so it can be one component and multi-component. Okay, so we will discuss the properties. Now we will go and look into the system. Okay, so ano ba itong nandito sa system? Okay, so the properties of the system, no, any property of thermodynamic system is either extensive or intensive. Okay, so when you say extensive, it is dependent on the size, no. For example, the amount of substance, no. Ano bang nag-indicate ng mga amount of substance? It is mass or volume. Okay, so in contrast, intensive, no, meaning independent of the size. Okay, ano bang mga independent of the size? Yung amount ng substance, no. Okay, for example, yung temperature or pressure. Okay, so if extensive properties are reference to unit mass, okay, you will use this per gram, no, or per kilogram, no. If it is also referred to amount of substance, you will use per mole. Okay, if intensive properties are obtained, no, you will use, no, for example, density per kilogram cube, no, or molar volume dm cube per mole. Okay, so yan yung units ng density and molar volume. Okay, so properties can often be measured or calculated on absolute scales, no. Ano ba yung mga absolute scales natin? Temperature, di ba? Meron siyang absolute 0, no, 0 Kelvin. Okay, so mass din, no. Sometimes it is also only possible, no, to measure it on a relative scale, no. So for example, you have a reference value, no, arbitrary 0 point, no, internal energy or water level, no, sa river. Okay, so now what are the different processes, no, in thermodynamics? Okay, these are the different types of thermodynamic processes. Now when you say processes, it is the path, no. So it can be spontaneous, no, versus force or non-spontaneous. Can also be reversible, no, or irreversible, no. So reversible, it always goes back, no, to your equilibrium state, and then irreversible ay non-equilibrium state. Okay, can also be isothermal, no. We discussed this kanina previously, no, or Ma'am Flores discussed this probably, no. Isothermal meaning constant temperature, no. Adiabatic, no. Maybe this is a new term, no. Adiabatic just means there is no heat exchange possible, no? The walls, no, yung diniscuss natin kanina, yung walls ng system are adiabatic, no? There are no heat exchange, no, from the system to the surroundings. Can also be isobaric, no, at a constant pressure, okay? Or isochoric at constant volumes, okay? Next is we are talking about energy kanina, no? Energy heat, no? Ano ba itong energy na ito na sinasabi natin? Energy is the ability of a system to do work, okay? So the energy of a system may be changed by work, no? So the energy of a system doing the work decreases, or the work done on the system increases the energy, no? It can be either the two. What are these types of works that are here, no? The thermodynamics. So you have your mechanical work, no? Or uh, the formula, no, for this is W equals Fs, no? Okay, it can also be expansion work, can also be surface expansion or extension or electrical, no? So the energy of a system, okay, can be changed through heat transfer. Okay, ito yung essence ng thermodynamics, no? Yung heat transfer, no? So between the system and the surroundings, can be na heat from the surroundings, no, to a system. Ang convention natin dyan ay positive work, no? So yung heat from the surroundings papasok sa system, positive, no? Or heat from the system, no, lalabas sa surroundings, ang convention natin dyan ay negative, no? Okay, so this will be our system-centered convention. So the process in the system may be endothermic, no, meaning heat absorption, or yung heat sa surroundings papasok sa system mo. So endothermic yun. So meaning positive. Or exothermic meaning heat evolution, no, naglalabas siya ng heat, no. So meaning the system excrete heat, no, releases heat. Okay, so negative yung convention natin dyan, negative sign. Okay, so ayan. So ito yung mga different types of work, no. Ito yung mga notations nila and units. Okay, you have to familiarize yourself, no. So type of work, mechanical, no. So ito yung derivative nila, FDS, no. Expansion, ito yan, negative P, EX, dV. Okay, so it is based on volume, no. It can also be surface expansion, no. Okay, gamma d theta or sigma, no. Extension, no, FDL, no, kasi length. Electrical, no, ay dq. Okay, so change in charge. Okay, and then electric potential yung multiply mo. Okay, now so we are saying we have discussed yung energy, no, and then sabi natin na nag-change yung energy based on heat transfer, no. Ano naman itong heat? What we call ano ba tong concept ng heat? Okay, so heat, no, ay essentially yung transferring, no, one into the other. Okay, so yan yung one molecule, no, molecular interpretation, no. Ito yung molecular interpretation niya, no. So yung molecules mo ay nagta-transfer, no, from one system to another. Okay, so your heat is symbolized by your Q and your work is W. Okay, so heat is the chaotic motion of molecules, no. Ito yung pag-transfer ng one molecule to another. Okay, so ito yung motion nila. Okay, work is the ordered motion of molecules. Okay, so you can see here in the picture, ayan. So yan yung surroundings mo sa labas, and then ito yung system mo sa baba, no. So, energy goes out. So, this is exothermic, di ba? So, yan. Okay? Now, ano naman itong internal energy, no? We will discuss this internal energy, no? So, thermodynamics requires precise notions of energy. Okay, so this exclude the contribution depending on external forces. Okay, so kinetic energy of the on the macroscopic system or force fields, no? Or yung ano ba yung mga force field, gravitational and electric. So, hindi natin isasama ang mga yan, no? So, it only considers the energy of the system that can be changed by heat and or work, no? So, yun lang yung consider natin. So, ano na, ano yung tawag dun, no? So, yun ang tawag dun ay yung internal energy, no? Symboled by your capital U, no? So, yun ang tawag dun ay internal energy. So, ano ang internal energy? It is the sum of kinetic, no? This kinetic term can be your rotational, vibrational, or translational movement, no? So, kinetic, it is the sum of the kinetic energy, no? Okay, so it is an internal arising, no, from the interaction within the system. Okay, sum of kinetic potential energies. Okay. So, macroscopic kinetic energy or energy caused by the external force field is not included in the internal energy. Okay. Ano ba yung example nito? So, the heats of combustion or calories for sugar or milk, no, are the same in a moving train, on the top of a mountain or in a deep mine. Okay. So, we go into the internal energy, no? Capital U, no? Internal energy is extensive and it is a state function. Okay? So, its absolute value is unknown, no? Ang pwede mo lang makuha ay yung changes. Okay? So, when you case state function, no, yung starting at saka endpoints lang yung ano mo, ko-consider mo. Okay? So, ang units nito ay 1 Newton meter or 1 joule, no? Okay? So, in terms of calories, no, 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joules. Okay? So, sino ba tong Joule na to, no? So, si James Prescott Joule, no? Siya siyang English physicist, no? Yan, yung Joule's device, no, for determining mechanical work of heat noong 1845. Okay? So, let's discuss further, no, internal energy. Okay, what is the internal energy, no, of a closed system? Okay, so for example, closed system, no. So the internal energy of a closed system, no, remains constant until work or heat changes it. Meaning the change in the internal energy of a system can be calculated from the work and heat. So, ito yun, no? Ito yung tandaan nyo, no? So, internal energy can be calculated from the work and heat, no, that passes through or that occurs in the system and surroundings. Okay? So, remember that internal energy is a state function. So, yung delta or yung change of internal energy yung measure natin, no? The delta U, only depends on the initial and final state kasi yun isa nga siyang state function. So, meaning ano bang formula yan? Delta U is equal to UF or your final internal energy minus your UI or internal energy at initial point, no? So, conservation of energy, no? What does this mean, no? Energy does not form from nothing and cannot be destroyed. Meaning, meron na talaga siyang internal energy yung system, no? Ang concern natin ay yung changes, no? Yung delta. Okay? And remember that no perpetual motion exists, no? Okay? So the change in U, no, can be determined using work, no, and heat transfer. Okay? So this is the formula ng work, di ba? Force times distance, no? And then kunin mo yung derivative niyan, yan yung lalabas, dW minus F dz. Then you know that expansion work ay ganito yung formula based dun sa table natin kanina. Okay? So describing the expansion work of gases, is very helpful in thermodynamics, Okay. So next is what did we call this path, Yung the conditions under which a process actually occurs, Okay. So yung paths ng isothermal gas expansion or later adiabatic, Also ay you can see expansion into a vacuum, or yung free expansion, yung Px mo ay equals 0. So meaning your work is also 0. Okay? So expansion at constant pressure, Pex ay constant. Okay? So constant niya. So integration of uh, the integration, ay very simple, So work equals negative Pex, nilabas mo na siya kasi constant siya. So integrate it into Vf and then Vi dV. Okay, so ang lalabas diyan ay ang work mo sa constant pressure ay negative Pex or your constant pressure delta V. Okay? So ito yung formula sa constant pressure. Okay? Ito yung formula ng work sa constant pressure. Now, the both paths are irreversible, Okay? Okay, so ano naman tong formula dito? Okay? So, similarly, yung value ng PEX mo ay nag-change, kapag reversible. Okay? So, expansion against continuously equilibrated pressure, Kapag reversible, it is also always in equilibrium, So, meaning an infinitesimal deviation will reverse the changes, So, the value of your pressure will change continuously, So, it is always equal to the internal pressure. So, kapag isothermal expansion, meaning constant temperature, di ba? So, yung pressure mo ay from your ideal gas laws ay PV equals nRT, using that formula, we will get this, So, the work is equal to negative nRT, okay, natural logarithm, of Vf over Vi, okay? So, yan kapag isothermal expansion, Okay, yung una ay constant pressure, okay? Ito naman ay isothermal expansion, So, using this, ito yung formula natin, di ba? Ito yung ating graph, So, you can see, you are only concerned sa final state and initial state. So paano mo kukunin yung work dyan, It is just the area. Okay, area under the curve, Okay, kung gusto mo ay constant pressure, yan yung PEX sa Y. So, yan, constant pressure. And then, titignan mo lang yung VF, VI. Kasi ang formula na natin, remember, ay delta V. Okay? So, yan. So, kapag gusto mo naman constant temperature, ito yung formula na gagamitin mo, yung nasa baba. Okay? So, next is your heat, heat transfer. Okay? So, we will go and look, into the formula ng heat, So, heat is either absorption or evolution, at constant volume, is equal to the change in internal energy. Okay, so du is equal to dq sub v, where yung v ay constant volume. So, yan. So, ano ba ang pwedeng gamitin natin na device, para gamitin yan? Bomb calorimeter. Okay? So, ito yan yung bomb calorimeter. I think alam nyo na to. It is just a steel vessel, with constant volume. It is adiabatically insulated, yung sample burns niya in a few seconds after ignition in a large excess of oxygen. Okay, so temperature increases, delta T is measured. Okay, so yan. And heat capacity of the calorimeter, C, is determined separately. Okay, so ang formula dito ay yung heat mo, Q is equal to C delta T. Okay, so ano ba yung heat ano ba yung C na yun? You call that heat capacity. Can either be CV or CP, constant volume and constant pressure. Okay, so you just remember that, no? So, yung CV mo ay delta U over delta T. Okay? So, this is just the plot, no? Nung temperature and volume, no? Yung dependence nila sa internal energy. Okay? Remember that iba't iba yung ating uh, specific heat, no? Yung CV natin, no? CP, no? Okay, so kapag yung heat mo, ang formula mo ang sa heat kapag constant volume, QV is equal to CV delta T. So gamitin mo yung CV for constant volume. Okay, so usually it is just provided, no? So ayan. So if you will compute it, okay, give me a few seconds lang, no? Hello po. Good morning. Pwede po magpa-reserve po, palista kay Francis. Ay, hindi po pa ng Francis po. Ay, ako. Ah, kahit sino na lang din mo dyan. Palista na lang. Mark. Mark Empinan. Mamaya mga 10:15 din. Thank you. Okay, so where were we? No? Okay, so we are here, no, sa constant specific heat, no, yung letter C, no, yung CV. Okay, so if your CV, no, or your heat capacity, no, heat capacity, sorry, yung term heat capacity. So your heat capacity, no, CV, no, and your delta U, no, at temperature 1, no, is known. Then the internal energy can be calculated, no, for the another temperature, no, or your T2. Okay, so paano? So your internal energy at T2, no, is equal to your internal energy at T1 plus your integral, no, nung yung heat, no, or your integral ng CV dt. Okay, so the difference, no, ng heat sa temperature 1 and temperature 2. So you can get your internal energy. Okay, so in practice, no, the change of U during a chemical reaction, okay, so is more important. Okay, this can be calculated using the heat capacities of reactants and products. Okay, so remember you have reactants and products, diba? So your delta U, no, in a reaction, so at temperature 2 at T2 is equal to your delta U in temperature 1 plus your heat, no, yung delta, yung heat na change ng from T1 to T2. So do you get that? You just add your integral, no, ng from T1 to T2 ng delta R CV dt. Okay, so these are the possible complications, no, temperature dependencies of heat capacities, no. CV is actually equal to A plus PT plus C over T squared, no. So although this is often negligible, no, at small delta t's. Okay, so now what is the heat capacity naman for ideal gases? Okay, so these are the heat capacities. These are just given values, no, so you can just memorize them, no? For monoatomic gases, it is 3 over 2R. Okay. For diatomic gases, no, it is 5 over 2R. And for nonlinear multiatomic gases is 3R. Okay. So these capacity values are more important, no, because they are accurate. Okay, and thus these are used widely, no, in calculating various thermodynamic equations. Okay. Now we will further discuss enthalpy, no? Ano yung enthalpy? So internal energy yung U, enthalpy is your age. Okay. So enthalpy is another state function, no, for the description processes at constant pressure. Okay? So kung yung delta H, yung enthalpy mo, delta H, it is the heat transfer, no, at constant pressure, assuming that there are no additional work. So ito yung formula. So enthalpy is equal to internal energy plus PV. Okay? So in addition to U, it also contains expansion work or yung PV, di ba? So remember that enthalpy is also a state function. So delta H can be determined using the difference ng enthalpy at the final, no, and then enthalpy at initial. Okay. So how do you determine changes in enthalpy? Okay, so ayan, this is just a device, no, that is used to determine your enthalpy. Okay. So in I, no, S phase delta V is typically small, so your enthalpy M is equal to your internal energy M. Okay, so but in gas phase, no, using flame calorimeter, so your gas plus your oxygen, no, nandyan. So your spiral tube is in constant pressure, adiabatic, and then it is also adiabatic, no. So your it is continuous, no, yung gas plus oxygen inflow. So continuous burning din yan and continuous product outflow. Okay. So temperature is actually dependent on enthalpy, no? The slope of the function of enthalpy is equal to, function of temperature, no, is equal to age, no? So heat capacity at constant pressure, your CP. So yan, your CP, no, has different versions, okay? So first is your CP, heat capacity for a given object, okay? Meron ding heat capacity for molar heat capacity, no? And then meron ding specific heat, no? Or your intensive, okay? So those are the different types or different versions ng CP mo, okay? So direct meaning ang CP, no, ay similar to CV. Okay? So these are just the formulas, you just need to remember them, no? The H, no, or your derivative ng enthalpy is equal to Cp dt. Okay, delta H is also equal to Cp delta T, no? This is just similar to yung Cv mo kanina, yung U, di ba? So they are also temperature dependent, no? This is yan exactly similar to your Cv kanina, no? But they are often negligible, no? So you have fixed fixed value sometimes, no, ng CP mo or CV. Okay? So now, from the CP or your heat capacity, your enthalpy or your age of a given system can be calculated, no? Similarly, kanina sa delta U natin na yan, di ba? So, CP dt, okay, plus your age or your enthalpy at temperature 1 is equal to your age or your temperature or your enthalpy at temperature 2. Okay? So in thermochemistry, this is called Kirchhoff's law. Okay? So remember that, no, this is Kirchhoff's law. Okay? Oh wait. Yeah. Okay? So your enthalpy, no, what is the connection between this CP and CV, no? So when heated, gas extend, diba? And through volume, work is involved, okay? So they transmit some of the warming heat to the environment, no? Consequently, the constant pressure or CP, no, is now higher than the constant volume heat capacity, no? But however, no, in real gases, no, intermolecular forces must be overcome. Okay, so here you have the table, no? If your work, no, is on the atmosphere, it is ideal gas, no? Okay, and real gas, no? If it is internal bonds, no, it is real gas. Okay, so for an ideal gas, ito yung formula natin, Cp minus Cv equals Nr. Okay, so for 1 mole of gas, Cpm minus Cvm is equal to R. Okay, so remember that formula, no? The ratio, no, of your Cp over Cv is called your heat capacity ratio. Okay, so now the reversible, if you have a reversible adiabatic expansion of an ideal gas, ito na yung formula, no? PV raised to your heat capacity is equal to constant. Okay, that's all constant in an ideal gas, no, in a reversible adiabatic expansion. Okay, now you can see yung internal energy natin, no, and enthalpy of a system is dependent on temperature, di ba? We have discussed it kanina. Now this dependence is expressed on heat capacities, or your Cp and Cv. Now do these values depend on other pa or other properties, or your, for example, your pressure and volume, no? How does internal energy change if we change temperature or volume or pressure, no? So we will look at these properties, no, of the effects, no, of these two properties. Okay, so let us look, no. So next is, okay, so if you change your volume, no, V equals to V plus dV, no, at constant temperature, no, in a general notation, this will be the equation, no? Okay, if temperature increases, no, ganito din yung equation, no. Now assume that the change in V and T is infinitesimal, so maliit lang. So now the exact differential will be like this. Okay, now what does this exact differential means? No, meaning the change in U, this formula, depends on the change in V and T. Okay, your volume, temperature. So the individual variables are partial derivatives. No, this can be seen in a three-dimensional coordinate system. So ganito yung lalabas sa kanya, no? So ito yung exact differential in a three-dimensional coordinate system. No, the effect of one or the other is the intersection, no, as you can see here, of the surface with the plane, no, which is a 2D coordinate system. Ayan. So yung intersection nila dyan, no. Now the two partial derivatives, no, have physical meaning, no. So yan, yung una, yung sa temperature, no, it is the internal pressure. Okay, now yung pangalawa na yung sa volume, no, it is the molar heat capacity at constant volume, no. Do remember that equation for partial derivative ng internal energy, your Cv is always positive, no? Okay. Now you have your Joule experiment. Now how does U depend on the volume? Okay. So you have your isothermal expansion of gas, no, vacuum, no. So the Joule did not experience any change in temperature. So here you have your high pressure gas here, and then you have your vacuum, then you have your thermometer. Okay, measuring the temperature, no. So the conclusion of this experiment is internal energy does not depend on volume. Okay, so this is also true for an ideal gas, no. So remember that, no. Internal energy does not depend on volume. Okay, so these are just the Joule-Thomson effect, no. Okay, so internal energy and enthalpy of real gases. Okay, so yung what is important here is you have to remember that the work of adiabatic gas expansion, no. Okay, so the real gas cannot absorb heat, no, from its environment when extending, so it cools down. So adiabatic extent is not isothermal, no. So adiabatic changes, no, or heat exchange between system and the environment was allowed. Okay. Okay, let us, you will, this is self-explanatory, no, yung, or yung experiment, no, but, okay, so, you have what you call your Joule-Thomson coefficient. Okay, so what this does this do? No, it measures the temperature change. Okay, or your partial derivative ng T all over change in response to pressure, no, or your partial derivative of P, no. Okay, so yan yung Joule-Thomson coefficient, no. Okay. Okay, so anyway, this is just the experiment ni Joule-Thomson, no? So you can just read these last slides, okay? And then you can see Thomson, no? Here in the last slide, no? He is a Irish mathematician and physicist, okay? Okay, so we have finished lecture 2, no? Thank you for listening, no? And I will upload this on our YouTube channel, no? In my YouTube channel, and send the link to you, okay? In a while. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. See you again on the next lecture video. Thank you.